Imagine, you are given an assignment to find some places in the Philippines and study its architecture. So you browsed the internet and then you saw this. Well, this is my architecture student plan experience. But bro, look at those eyes. It's staring at your soul. He looks like a detailed Funko Pop. Looking at the other pictures gives you that eerie feeling. Those old Filipino movie vibes. Bro looks like he could be the fourth doll in Maria Leonora Teresa. Their last post was in 2016, which makes it scarier. But behind those creepiness is a nice story, or a vlog.
Bruh.
So this is Pedrito, a 15-inch doll based on Pedro Calungsod, the second Filipino saint. He is a companion of this teacher, and they record their trips and journeys all around the Philippines in their vlog named, you guessed it, Walk with Pedrito. Everywhere the teacher goes, like churches, ancestral houses, plazas, or heritage towns, Pedrito is just there, vibing, witnessing history, judging silently with those circular black eyes. But jokes aside, Walk with Pedrito actually does something important. It makes the vlogs feel approachable, human, and memorable. Even if he could absolutely be the fourth doll in Maria Leonora Teresa,